Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. But if you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying with me. So this is me just trying to like flaunt this package that somebody ordered. I am so grateful. I am super grateful. Like my customers, thank you like for always patronizing me. This order went all the way to America. So, and I have a good news for you guys. If you don't know and if you haven't heard, we will be running like a discount on our classes, which is like the Advanced Turarenwuta class. You're going to learn how to make more than 22 amazing, long lasting recipes that you can use to start your small business. You can use to like improve your already like your Toronto business. So this, if you're not following me on my social media, this is a video, amazing video I posted on my TikTok, which is so good, and I will just be taking you on like some sneak peek process of how I created this purple, beautiful looking Bakhoor you're seeing here, which has amazing lavender scent and is also available on sale, and the pink one you saw at the beginning of the video. So this is it at the end. If you wanna follow me on my socials, please do that. This is another one I made. This is like an amazing sandal asal tchadiene sandal asal Turarenwuta Bakhoor, and then this is the packaging process at the end. So let's get into the video. And this is not like a full recipe video. I would just be like talking about some few tips and then like some experience like as a Turarenwuta vendor in Nigeria. So one thing about this Turarenwuta Bakhoor incense is that when you are into this business, like I said in my previous video, if you don't have passion for it, you won't like last long in it, and you won't make amazing results. And then you don't have to like follow what others are doing. You have to be different. Just know your customer, know what your customers want, and then give them that. So one thing I didn't mention in my previous video, which I said I will make another video, full detailed video, like showing telling you this remaining few tips that I missed out, is that when you're adding your oils in trial water, make sure like you layer your oils very well. Sometimes you might be adding oil which like this an oil that is amazing, that is strong, that is long lasting, and then when you add another type of oil which has like same concentration with the one you're using or the one you're adding, it will like totally affect the outcome of your bakul or your humra. This is something that like my mentor was telling me about a time which she had a very like unique order to make an amazing lead the new humra for someone, and then she used uh alif lail oil perfume. You know alif lail, she used the sorati alif lail oil perfume, which is like very strong. So when she added the alif lail oil perfume, then she added burmi oud oil perfume, and the thing messed up her humra at the end of the day. It wasn't giving what it was supposed to give, like the scent she was looking for at the end. It was not this kind of like calm, nice musk humra, like it didn't come out the way she wanted. So you see, she had to like go back and add other oil perfumes, which would then increase the cost of what she wants to make. She has already she you know when you're making these items, you have like the price you want to sell it for. You will set the price, and then she has already like collected the money of that item. So at the end of the day, you see she'll be running in loss, like she'll be losing, because after adding the two oils, the outcome she was looking for, she didn't get it. So she had to go back and add more oils, which would then like increase the price of production. And then you see it will definitely increase the cost of the item. So the result she's looking for, she wouldn't get. So if she is gaining like just 500 naira from that purchase or that item, and then she added like 400 naira oil perfume, then she wouldn't gain like much. Her gain would just be like 100 naira. I hope you guys like I understand. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to like put out there. So you have to know like the right amount, the quantity, the mils of oils you need, the grams of powder, the spoonful of powders, and just like the cups of sugar and everything. You have to know the measurement of everything you're using. So one thing I'll be teaching you in this class is like I will be giving you a recipe, like tested and trusted recipe with the measurements and the mils of oils I use, and then you're going to like see everything. You guys see how I explain it here over like on YouTube. So the class is going to be like fully packed. You can join from wherever you are in the world, and I accept payment from wherever you are in the world. I accept payment. So just send the DM to the number on the screen, and I will be glad to attend to you. I will not be taking another class with the same price this year. So you have to rush and join this one because this is like a discount. I have done a birthday discount. My birthday is coming up, so my birthday is coming up on the 28th of October, inshallah. That's why I did a birthday sales on all my products and my classes. So you have to join before the sales end. If this sales end and you did not join, I'm not going to like attend to you because I've done the possible best I can do. I will be sharing a lot of like secrets in this class. So if you don't join now, when you're joining next, the price won't be the same. It will be totally different and it will be much higher than this. Because you will learn a lot. So trust me, join now before the offer ends. So this is the pink one. You can see like the oils I'm adding are not like low quality oils. They are amazing. So when you're making your Bakhoor, your incense, your Turarenwuta, and you want it to have amazing long lasting effects in the room, on your clothes and on your body, you have to add amazing oils. So this is the second stage of production. You didn't see how we achieved the color. You didn't see the powders, the resins, the leaves, the what again, the spices we added here. So this is the second stage of production. After adding the dried ingredients, after soaking at the beginning of the this video, you see where I was soaking it with my UD cologne. That's the first stage. And then after the first stage, before the UD cologne dries up, I added the powders, the resins, the plants, and the spices. So then I let it sit for like 2 weeks so that everything will come together and give us an amazing scent. So after making the soft pink and the banat, I went to the market to shop items for my sister. She got an order for bottles, and then I went to pick the bottles up and I sent it to Kaduna. So when I came back home, I just made some video of this amazing humras I made for my students. The mosque humra is a recipe for the Advanced Turarenwuta class, which you guys will be learning. These are other items you'll be learning. This is the mosque humra. I dropped this for the batch D students, and then this is like the Halut. You all know the Oud. I've dropped a recipe, but then this is an amazing another recipe. Like this recipe is not like the one on YouTube. Then this is the Sandal humra. This is just like before and after, and then this is another product which you'll be learning in class. This is Kajiji balls. a lot of items will be taught in this class, like items that you use to start your trial water. Like you learn and make and be able to like start your trial water business. I will be dropping list of oil perfumes that you can use to make your Bakhoors, your khumras, a lot. So I can't wait to see you in class. More details in this description box, and I will drop my number on the screen. See you in my next one. Bye.